Hello, it's Fabrice. This video is a quick introduction to Emoscale, and to explain what is Emoscale, I will directly use a sample of application. So actually I loaded a video which is around 2 minutes long, and so you have the video in front, on the top, and here you have a way to just navigate and check what is the image at the position. And just below we have just loaded one shot, one analysis from a user, and this user was using the Emoscale headset provided by Emotive company, and it's a EEG electroencephalogram. Sorry for my bad French accent, and we are able to measure the brainwave activity of the brain and to convert into an emotion. And so what you are looking for actually is the level of emotion from 0 to 100% at the time of the video. You can also look and see some smiley, because actually when the brain asks to the muscle to activate a smile or a raised brow or a furrow brow, we are able to detect that and to set a trigger. So we are able to count virtually the number of times someone was smiling, even if it's not visible on her face, on the face of the person, we are able to detect that. So actually what you can see is a red curve, which is a frustration. The yellow one, the engagement. Engagement means is the person is really taking care of the video, is focused or not, and the excitement, short term and long term, which is also one of the factors to know if a video is efficient, let's say, or performing well in the order to be memorized, because a good advertisement needs to be memorized, and so you need to have different signal, let's say, in the trend of the video itself. So as you see in this sample, there is something very interesting around this part, and you don't need really to be an expert to check that. I mean, the green curve is decreasing because it's maybe a little bit more boring and less interesting. So that's why at the beginning we have just a signal delay, so that's why we don't have it starting from scratch. And we can see the end of the video is quite interesting, because we have the engagement higher, we have the excitement short term higher, and we have a lot of smiley and face expression than we have recorded. So if you look, because from the graph you just say, okay, what was happening on this video at this time? And if we are just pressing, we see there is another speaker, and the speaker, the new speaker, has really attracted the attention of the user, and that's what is interesting. So maybe you will focus on really validate this part and this speaker, and maybe this speaker should speak for the long speech of the company and the introduction of the company. So that's really what we are doing. This sample is for one user only, but sorry, I can't find my words. The purpose really of Emoscale is just to be able to compare different videos on the same user, or to compare different users on the same video, and just pick the best one, and to know what people are reacting to, even if each user will have a different approach, because you check this curve from this user, I can load another user and you will see the curve are really completely different. So let me show. So it's another tester. Actually, it's an expert in neuroscience, and on this video we will really narrow down what was happening in the speech around this part and this part, and to explain and make some calculation on this. So as you can see, the excitement long term is continually rising, and there is more activity at the end of the video than on the beginning. It means that the video is not so bad. But as soon as we have a video with very decreasing signal, especially the engagement, you can just confirm and just show the graph result of to the person who created the video and say then they need really to change something. I hope it's explaining a little bit what we are doing, and if you have any question, you can comment in the article or the YouTube video, for example.